The project name is obviously the Manchester Fuel Cell Innovation Centre, and the purpose is we will refurbish an area within our Science and Engineering faculty with around £2.5 million worth of equipment. What that equipment is there to do is to look at different materials for fuel cells. It's to look at how we can bring in storage options for hydrogen. It will look at 3D printing for fuel cells, but then we need to also ensure that we are helping Greater Manchester businesses to innovate within this sector.
Well, I'm from the University of Chester, so I hope that SMEs in the region will be able to come and make use of this facility to develop their ideas and their products and to test them within an interesting and highly spec'd environment.
The main economic downfall of fuel cells or electrolysis technology is their use of platinum as an electrocatalyst. Using these 2D nanomaterials such as graphene, molybdenum disulfide, molybdenum diselenide, we can actually mitigate the use for platinum.
Fuel cells are simple in theory but are complicated in practice because of the material demands. So with our expertise in materials we can help redesign some of those components. We might be able to protect them with surface coatings, we might be able to find novel materials that work better than the current materials. So there's huge opportunities for us.
So I think the Manchester Fuel Cell Innovation Centre has brought together some terrific academics. It will be well funded and resourced with equipment which will help attract even more people to the work, and I'm sure that over time it will generate both high quality scientific outputs, but because of the business links it will really be able to generate the impact that we seek.
This centre is so exciting for us because we can look at developing hydrogen fuel cells, hydrogen solutions. So we're just really excited to be able to come into a real lab, use real materials, develop those materials. That ability to create partnerships, to develop our own products, but in collaboration with other people, because that's how we move forward, isn't it? Is what we're good at is joining that with other people, what they're good at.
An impact like the Fuel Cell Innovation Centre for Manchester is massive because fuel cells and hydrogen affect energy, they affect transport. We want people installing this technology, but we also want people using this technology.